Well guys, I just finished making my goods yard here from Metcalfe card kit. Looks fantastic. It was a big build to make, my biggest build I think I've done so far, and it's got lots of details and parts, and I'm going to show you the process, how I made it, and I've got some great ideas how you can make it look even better. So I'm going to share that with you, and I'm going to show you all the detail of the building and what it looks like. This is how it comes with all the sort of card sheets. So I'm going to cut all the pieces out and make a builder's yard. Some of the tools you need is card glue. I use this sort of magic crystal glue for the windows, some little clips, hobby knife, tweezers and a metal roll. Okay guys, I just want to stress how important it is to be careful when cutting along these lines with this hobby knife. It's really easy to slip, cut your finger, and it will do some real harm, damage to your finger. So be extra careful when using these. You can use gloves, but with a bit of care and take your time and a bit of practice, you should be okay. You just gotta watch what you're doing, no distractions. Get the knife really in the cut there, and go across once, twice. Move to the next one, go along once, twice. Okay, like that. So holding the wall down quite tightly, because that's what's acting as a bit of a guide for your knife to come across, and also giving you a bit of protection as the knife comes. So that's my top tip, to be really careful with these hobby knives and cutting. So I'm going to take the roof off. I didn't glue it down, so I can easily take the roof on and off, and you can see all the lovely detail inside there. And I think one of the things I'm going to be doing is maybe painting these, give it more of a metal look, industrial metal look. You can also fix lights in there as well, so I think that would look really good, possibly. This part of the building is the office area. Inside I've also left the roof off there, so you can put a light inside there, some wallpaper possibly here, and some furniture. So there's a few little upgrades to be done. So I think it looks really good. I'm also going to be doing all the outside of it here, all the groundwork, like a car park here, and put like a little road, a little lane coming across to make it look really nice. It's easy to put the roof back on and off like that, so you haven't got to glue it down. And you can see it looks fantastic. The details I really like with this building is I really like this sort of edge on the top of the roof here. I think that looks really good. And I also love the red doors here. You can see right into the building, into the goods yard area there. And you can see through the windows quite nicely as well. A little touch up of paint going along the edges. So when I start doing the scenery, I'm going to add some bushes like this down here. You need some workmen inside and some accessories like barrels and crates that give it a bit more of a lived-in feel inside. So I hope that gives you a bit of an idea how to make this goods yard kit for Metcalfe. I think it's come out really well. There is a lot of parts. It took me about 3 days to make on and off, and but you just take your time and enjoy it, and it come out really well. You don't really need to modify much. It looks fantastic as it is. And in my next video I'm going to be making this signal box kit, and so look out for that. I just want to say thank you for everyone who's been watching and likes and subscribes. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.